What is up, YouTube? Jonny B here again today. And now that we went through this exhaust, this is a Tomei 60S, we're gonna be trying out a new exhaust. And it's gonna be another single exit. I don't know why, but I just have a bunch of single exits. Now we're gonna be testing out Greddy Rs Revolution, which is that one right there. It's on my TS right now. That was the exhaust that I had on my 500 horsepower car. And I figured it'd be a good exhaust to test. It's got the resonator, so it's not the race version that doesn't have the resonator. So it should help out, you know, with vibrations and just like weird noises that come through, the raspiness. So I'm thinking this exhaust is gonna sound really good as well, just like the Tomei did. The 60 sounds really good. It's just, I guess you could say it's a little bit more mellow from what I like. So I get to be a little bit like deeper. And this is more of kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's a hard to explain. If you saw the video, you heard the exhaust and know exactly what it sounds like, right? So let's go ahead and remove this one, install that one, and see how it sounds. So here it is with the Greddy installed. Fitment seems to be a little bit better. It could be better still being further out, just so it lines up. But if it's a bit better than the Tomei does, it has a bit more of an angle. So unfortunately on this side it seems to be a bit closer than the Tomei was, but it does sit a little bit lower as well in comparison. And there we can see the exhaust all the way down. I do have some heat wrap on it from when I was boosted on the other car. Everything would get red hot with a lot of power. So now that we have that on, let's go ahead and bring the car down. There we go. it is. That's all the awesome sounds that this exhaust makes. It's a really good looking exhaust. I love the way that it shoots out at the angle that it has. It also sounds really good. It's a lot quieter than the other two, and that's something that I kind of enjoy. I don't want the car to be too loud, too ricey, to the point where every time you're taking off it sounds like you're trying to go full speed when you're really not. I think that's the most embarrassing part of it all, and having this exhaust on the turbo car just made it sound really good. Having the wastegate dump to atmosphere was what made the car loud, so the car was like relatively quiet as you were just accelerating with a small amount of boost. But when you really got it to boost and hit that full boost, the wastegate would just dump and just be a whole nother monster. So you hear like 2 stages of exhaust, and that's what I really enjoyed about the turbo car. This car is going to stay an A, so having something simple like this, something quiet, I think is going to be the move. It's just because I'm going to have my wife and my kid in the car, and I don't want anything too obnoxious. I also plan on taking it to the track, and there's some tracks that have a sound restriction. And then as well, you know, when you're traveling, you don't want to have that drone in the back of your ear the whole way there. So for that, I love this exhaust. It's only like 600 bucks. Maybe it probably went up since then, but the other ones were $1,000 before. So you save yourself quite a bit of money, and it sounds really good. It's not titanium, so you don't get the weight savings, but it just looks good. It does have a titanium tip on it. That's why it has, you know, the color. That's removable, so in case you ever smash it up, you know, you could just buy another one and remove it, replace it with that one, and then it'll look good as new again. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, you have a great day.